lot of things in my time on YouTube. I've done a clothing line, a makeup line, and you saw me make, well, basically everything under the sun. And today I finally did the most YouTuber-y thing of all. Merch! Oh my goodness, what is up you guys? It's Amber, welcome back to my channel. Isn't this a great day? It is a great day, I'm so excited. Today's the day, it's finally here. I am launching merch! I am finally dropping merch. The countdown is over, the day is here. Woohoo! Merch. Oh, since it dropped literally right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little try on haul for you guys so you can see everything, see what size you wanna get, yada, yada, yada. So without further ado, here we go. I am launching merch, the official try on haul. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, here we go. Outfit number 1. Broke Bitch University at your service. So I designed this one on a spoof of college sweatshirts. I actually did go to college, yes I did. I'm the official founder of Broke Bitch Tips, hello, yes. Hello class of Broke Bitch University. And so for my merch, obviously I thought it would be funny to kind of spoof on that. You can see it all has the custom little tag in there, logo, like that's so cool. You can see Broke Bitch, even added the TM, you know, for professionalism. But I notoriously never wear pants with my sweatshirt, so I thought it'd be fun to make a sweatshirt that naturally was longer so you can get away with it easier without getting an extra large. So this is actually an extra small sweatshirt, so cute. You can see it's totally long enough to wear outside without your mom yelling at you, or maybe she'll still yell at you, but it's okay because you're 26 and you live on your own. Or maybe you're not 26 and don't live on your own yet, in which case listen to your parents, they know best. But super cute. It's super soft too, by the way. I wear a lot of crazy fashions, but I always need to make sure it's soft. So this is the soft kind of sweatshirt in there. It's got that nice fuzzy fleece. It's just as soft as George. Oh, do you want a hug? I love you. You don't want to kiss me? Why? Fine. Oh, thank you. All right, anyways, back to the merch. Like, don't you just look so smart in a college sweatshirt? It's like we all go to school together. Sorority sisters. George, we are L. Woods. This comes in sizes from XS to 2XL, so got one for everybody. The link to the website is in the description, by the way, so that'll have like everything on there. It's amberscholl.com. How cool is that? Can you believe I own amberscholl.com? Yeah, the business bitch in me when I was like 14 and bought that. Very smart. Ooh, 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 ooh. By the way, I know, $40 is not exactly broke bitch style. Womp, I know. Everyone always says, oh my god, I didn't get to pick the prices. But honestly, truly, you don't get to pick the prices. I have to pay the company that produces it, that makes it, that ships it out, that runs the customer service, my agents, my managers. It's a lot of people working on this. It's not just me. So anyways, that's why it's not all up to me. But I tried to make it as affordable as possible. Pretty much standard YouTuber merch pricing. So I did the best I could. But anyways, that's that one. So ready for the next look? Ooh, I'm having so much fun doing this. Wow. Alrighty. George, you are the star of my merch video. I love you. Oh, you're so cute. Wow. Anyways, are you ready for this next drop? Okay, so you guys know I'm the queen of cheeky puns, so of course I had to put a cheeky pun in my merch. You guys know I am all for girl power. The message behind literally everything that I do is all about empowering girls. I put it on my mood board earlier and I say it on Twitter all the time, but it really, truly, honestly is. So we have this super cute little cat. Look, she even has my signature eyeliner on her. Oh my god, we love it. And then power. I mean, get it? It's a kitty cat, so you can think of some synonyms. And then power. Power. Yes, sis. Kitty cat, girl power for life. It's all you. You are the queen of your own destiny, the own everything, so don't you forget it. Oh my god, I just freaking love this one. I love it, I love it, I love this one. It's so cute. George, even though it's a cat on here, do you like it? Pumpkin, answer mommy. Do you like it? Yeah, he loves it. Yes. This is definitely the cheekiest shirt in the collection, but honestly, it is also probably one of my favorites just because of what it means. You got it, girl. And I hope this shirt helps you remember it. So this shirt comes in a crop top, obviously, because you guys know that I love to crop everything. This merch is all very much related to me and what I would wear personally, but of course I wanted to take everyone into consideration because I know not everyone likes to have their stomach out all the time. So this one will also be coming in a full-length version in case you guys don't want to crop it. I will try this one on right now. So you can see the full version looks like this. You can also, I wonder if you could tuck it in, if it would be cute. Okay, work, tucked in is super cute. So there you go. Another way to wear it idea. We love it. I'm so excited to be twinning in the streets with you and being fabulous women like we are. Or fabulous men. Or fabulous whatever you identify as. Being fabulous is a state of mind. And you know, it doesn't hurt when you look the part too. Y'all didn't really think I would let the best secret to curing a bad hair day not be featured, eh? Oh, I love this. So, alrighty, in addition, we also have this killer hat. Oh my goodness, look how cute she is. I know it's a really weird thing to say that this hat fits well, but honestly, the fit of this hat is amazing. I literally always complain about hats like fitting my head weird, but this one sits on your head so nicely and sticks up just the right amount. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Ready to cheer on my imaginary son at baseball practice. Or cheer on George for just being adorable. Go, honey, go. He's perfect. It's got like bronzy hardware in the back, so that's cute. It goes with gold or silver. You can see it's like a nice, well-made hat. Once a broke bitch, always a broke bitch, so never forget. My goodness, you look so cute in the hat, George. George, you look amazing. You look so cute in it, honey. Turn who you are into what you are. The moral of every story. You know what? Actually, this is gonna make me cry. Wow. It's just crazy to think about like where you came from to where you are, and I don't want to cry in the middle of the video, so I'm gonna save this for the end. But anyways, next item. Alrighty, so next up, I already showed this one, so it's not that much of like a grand reveal, but it is super cute still. Our just shopping tank. So again, this one is not actually a crop top. I cut it because I DIY everything, even my own merch. So there isn't a crop version to purchase, but you can literally just snip with scissors and make it into a crop if you want. It won't fray. Perfectly fine. You just got to do a quick little snip and there you go. So the backstory behind this one, again, you guys know I'm like extremely single and I think it's really funny. You know, like your friends getting married and they have those like really cute little just married shirts. I thought it would be funny because I'm married to them all. So I made this one to look like one of those just married tattoos or just married t-shirts. So it's literally a spoof on that. I designed this. We have the just shopping. You have the little hearts, the credit card. It's literally, like I said, supposed to look like kind of like a bro tank kind of thing. So super fun. I know I keep saying like every piece is my favorite, but this is definitely one of my favorites just because, again, I wanted to make merch that I would actually wear. I really didn't want like typical YouTuber merch where it just says like Amber Scholl on it, because I was like, that is not that interesting and I wouldn't wear that. So I wanted to make something fun that you guys could wear and to be sassy while, you know, you two are charging your cards at the mall or wherever else you want. Wear it on a first date. It'll be hilarious. A definite conversation starter. I know because I wore it on one the other day and God, it was so funny. But anyways, story time for another video. So that's this one. The sizing for this one, again, I believe also comes in extra small to a 2X. So there you go. Happy shopping. This is just like the best ever. Want to go to the mall, pumpkin? Look at George modeling with it. How can you not buy that? George just chewed on this one, but anyways, you can see this one also comes in the t-shirt version just in case you are also not into the tank top. So we got this one here for, you know, shoulder coverage. So if you're more into this style, you can get this version too. Boop, there you go. And last but not least, you guys didn't think I'd really make merch without my favorite saying on it, did ya? Because after all, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? Boom, boom, we got a phone case. So you guys know I'm really reckless and always have a naked iPhone, but I thought it'd be fun to finally make a case that I'll use. So you can see it is a clear case, perfectly clear, so you can still see all the backing and everything on it. If you drop it face down, it will protect it a tiny tad bit. I mean, at the very least. More than, you know, if you had nothing on it. I honestly wanted it to kind of look like a little tattoo, so I had like handwritten font on there. Because if I ever got a tattoo, I honestly think it would be this, so I figured I would tattoo it on my phone for now. The phone cases are made to order, by the way, so whatever phone you have, literally just select that and we will print them to match your phone. So this is the iPhone 11 something, I don't really know, but that's what's on my phone. But yeah, you can have it for literally whatever phone it is that you have. So just select it and we will print it for you. Yay. But if having a case just isn't your style, or if you have a case you already really like, I also made a sticker version so your iPhone can still be completely naked and still have the saying on it. Okay, so honestly, you can see the phone case actually will have it printed a little bigger, but the sticker is literally just a sticker. You can see it's the same. It has like a clear little adhesive backing. You can see kind of when I move the lighting like that. But it also really looks like a tattoo, and you can stick that on literally anything you want. You can stick it on a case you already have, or you can be like me and have no case and just, you know, be free balling it. But it's so cute. Look at that. Like when you're taking a selfie, it literally looks like your iPhone is like custom engraved. Oh, I love it. And not to mention, it's just a sweet little reminder that you can genuinely do anything it is in the world that you want. If you told me 3 years ago that someday I would be selling merch with that quote that I put on my infamous mood board, you know, honestly, I would say I would not have believed it, but I think there was a tiny little piece of me that might have. So thank you for watching and for making, yet again, another one of my many dreams come true. I owe it all to you guys, so thank you. By the way, all of the orders will come with this cute little card that I wrote. See, look at that. That's my signature. And that's me. That is actually fan art that someone drew. Look at how cute she is. Oh my God, super talented. So show her some love on Instagram. So this is the story of why I named it Dress Code. It says, I used to get dress coded every day in school, and I'm a fashion blogger with her own merch line. Moral of the story, live your life, sis. After all, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? To the moon and back always. XO. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm supposed to tell you guys. I think that's all the info you need. Again, it's all linked in the description, so if you want to cop any of the merch, you can. We're gonna be twinning. Please, please, please tag me once you get it. I cannot wait to see you guys wearing it. It's gonna be literally like the joy of my life. I'm so, so, so excited. So, the frequently asked questions, does it ship internationally? Yes, it does. There's only like, I think like 5 places that it doesn't ship to in the whole world. So all the info's on the website. Another thing though, okay, so this is the first initial merch drop that I've ever done. So every single item is going to be print to order, which basically just means I don't have a bunch of these things like sitting around in a warehouse. Once you order it, it will literally be made for you, which takes a long time. So that I believe March 10th is the goal to have everything shipped out, but I will keep you guys posted. And of course, at the bottom of the webpage, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, you can email customer support. They should be able to take care of everything for you. So after March 10th, once we have like all the data and whatnot, it'll be easier to know how many of sizes of things to buy. So for future drops, it won't take that long. It'll just be like add to cart and then I ship it out to you and then you get it in like 2 days. But for the initial thing, that's how it's gonna work. So anyways, just wanted to be transparent about that so you're not confused. But you know, all things worth having are worth waiting for. It's a good quote to use for that, right? Anyways, can't wait to twin with you guys. And remember, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? Life's a crazy thing, kids. Never give up on your dreams. You'd be surprised what things that weren't even on your list you'd end up doing someday, so. And that's that on that. I love ya. XO. Okay, will you model it for me?
Yeah, this is the cutest merch I think I've ever seen, bro. Bitch University, you already know the vibrations. You can get it in the link below. This is the cutest stuff. You guys are wondering if it's for boys. This is definitely for boys. Look at this. It's for not only for boys, but for girls too. Match with your couple because we are a couple and we're matching. Get your merch. What's the website?
AmberShoal.com.
AmberShoal.com. You know what? She'll give you a discount too if you buy 2.
I won't do that.
But just buy 2 anyways.
You can't lie to them.
Oh my God, is this a bralette?
Well, I cut it.
I love this merch, Amber. I'm really proud of you. This is some awesome merch. If you like to wear basically nothing, this is it for you. What does it say?
Just shopping.
Is this a real credit? Is this based off your credit card? What's the number?
Shut up.
9119.